Hi, my name is Anthony Harrell, a senior at the University of North Carolina at Charlotte with a major in computer science and a concentration in cybersecurity. And today, I just want to talk about my chat application I created, or chat room you've made using the Java Messenger service. As stated, it is a chat room which allows users to create a username and join a chat room. And in that chat room, users can send messages in between each other. To accomplish this, I use the Java messaging service. I just found this tool interesting, and as Java is my favorite language, I figured I'll dabble in that. And I use NetBeans as the IDE. So just begin, we have the producer file. This is the file that initializes the object that will create the message and send said message to the server. And then we have the consumer object or file. This initializes the consumer object which receives the message from the server. And here we have the client, the client object, which initializes the GUI, and also this is where the user will set their username and set the chat room they would like to use. This is the build GUI file. This will build the GUI, and this was made using JFrame. And then I attempted to use AES to encrypt and decrypt the messages. The code or the encryption key is stored in the source code, which is a limitation of the project, as I acknowledge this is unsecure in theory. So you have to first connect to the server on your machine, which will I do real quick here. Oops. And you're gonna active and start. Alright. Once you're connected, we're just gonna exit out these. And we just run the file. This will be the first user. Just put anything as a username. I just put my name right here. I'll set my username. And then you just join any chat room. I'll put chat 1 for the chat room. And then we'll just open up another instance to another user. I'll put Madison as the second user. And she would also join chat room 1. We'll have her send a message. Hi, Anthony. This is Madison's instance right here. And this is Anthony's instance right here. As you can see, the message sent by Madison is relayed here. And I can just respond, hey Madison, and send the message to the chat room. We'll go to Madison's instance and you will see the message here. And both messages will be displayed on both instances. And this will just function as the chat room. I'll just simulate a conversation real quick. And there we go. This project took me around a week and a half to complete. And I would say the most fun portion of the project was just going through the process of trial and error. And the most difficult portion of the project, I would say, would be building the GUI, or getting the GUI to get like the exact right parameters, and having it function in between files and instances. And thank you for taking time to view my project.